Hello friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our second question. They are asking us to find what is the value of k. So they are given that two equal roots. The given expressions, they are having two equal roots. So for that, what are the two roots we have to find? So what is the significance of two equal roots? So what is it means? So it means that discriminant. So what you can say, discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So if it is the two equal roots are there, means that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is that? So b square minus 4ac, let's going to write the given expression into ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. So the first one, so what is that? 2x square plus kx plus 3 will be equal to 0. So this is our first expression. So for this, we need to write what are the two equal roots. That means we have to write that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So here what is the value of a? So let's going to compare, that is 2. Then what is the value of b? That is k. Then what is the value of c? That is 3. So what is the discriminant? That is b square minus 4ac. So what is that? So let's going to write b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So b is equals to k square minus 4 into a is nothing but 2. Then what is c? 3. That is equals to, what is this? Equal to 0. So that is k square minus 4 2s are 12, then 12 3s are 30, 4 2s are 8, sorry, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That will be equal to 0. Then k square will be equal to 24. Then what you can write it, this 24, you can write this 24 in the format of, let's going to write 24 as the product of any perfect square. 2 for that 4, then 4 into 6, 4 into 6 you can write it. Then k will be equal to square root of 4 into 6. So we can write the formula. So what is the formula? Let's going to write it here. The formula is square root of ab will be equal to square root of a into square root of b. So you can write square root of 4 into square root of 6. So what you can write here, square root of 4 into square root of 6, that is 2 into square root of 6, that will be equal to plus or minus 2 into square root of 6. So what are the roots? The roots will be equal to, for this expression, the roots are, roots for this plus 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. So these are the two roots for the given expression, that is first one 2x square plus kx plus 3. Then what is our next expression? So let's going to take second one, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 will be equal to 0. So let's going to write expanded form for this. So what is the multiply? So kx into x minus kx into 2 plus 6 will be equal to 0. So this is the expansion for this. So kx into, that is kx square minus 2kx plus 6 will be equal to 0. So here we can write as ax square plus bx plus c. So let's going to compare. So ax square plus bx plus c will be equal to 0. Then what you can write it here is, so for this expression you can write as kx square plus of minus 2k into x plus 6 will be equal to 0. It's common. So let's going to take a is equals to what? A is equals to k, then b is equals to minus 2k, then c is equals to 6. So we are comparing all the values. So as we know, the discriminant is 0, that is b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. Why we are writing? They are already given in our question. What they are given is the two equal roots. So for that, b square minus 4ac, so minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is nothing but k, 6 will be equal to 0. So minus 2k whole square minus 2 whole square, then k square, 24k will be equal to 0. So here minus 2 whole square is nothing but what? 4k square minus 24k will be equal to 0. So that is our, so what is that? That is our expression. So we can take k outside, rather than we can divide with some k value. So let's going to take common of 4 here. So 4, if you take common, k square 6, k will be equal to 0. So we can take, what is this? So k square, this one implies k square minus 6k will be equal to 0 by 4, that is 0. So here divide with, what you can take it here is, so k square minus 6k, we have got it. So we can divide k square with the some value. What is that? Let's going to divide with 6k or some other things. So here 6k is there. So for that you can divide with any one value or either with k square or anything. So here it's make it 1. So make it this one. So divide. Why? Because k square we should get some value for that. Divide with 6k on both sides. So what you will get here, k square by, so k square minus 6k will be by 6k will be equal to 0 by 6k. We will get it as 0. Then k square by, what you can write it, 6k minus 6k by 6k. So 6k will going to cancel. Then k square, let's going to write it here, k square by 6k minus 1 will be equal to 0. So here we got it again. What is this value? Here k into k by 6k minus 1 will be equal to 0. K will going to cancel. Then what value we will get it here is k minus 1, but is 6. So k minus 6 by 6, that will be equal to 0. So we are taking LCM here. Then k minus 6 will be equal to 0 into 6, that is 0. Then k minus 6 will be equal to 0. Then k is equals to 6. K is equals to 6. So we got the root as k is equals to 6. The root is nothing but k is equals to 6 and 6. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.